Hi friends, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the civics 10th class, our moving on topic is the political parties, and in the political parties we will continue the topic the regional political parties of India, means the state political parties of India. So student, let's we see one by one the each state parties with the formations, with the leaders and with the state where the parties has been running, and the symbol of the political parties. That is very also important, because this is the 3-mark questions maybe appear in the exam, the board exam, so it must be ready very quickly, very fluently. So student, let's we see. Number one, the first party I will take it, the AAP party. AAP party means Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party that was founded in the year 2012, but this party was founded from the, you will say, pressure groups. It was known as India Against Corruption. This movement groups or the pressure groups which was led by Anna Hazare, and he was assisted by Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal, he was a founding member of this party, and he founded this party in the year 2012. This party is very active in Delhi, number one. The second, the state, the Punjab. In the Punjab, which this party won the 4th seat in the last elections, and this party secured the only 2% vote in the elections, means in Lok Sabha elections. The symbol of this party is broom, means jhadi. Jhadu means is a kind of symbol which has been evolved by the leader of the party, means Arvind Kejriwal. He is the, you will say, civil officer, civil servant officer, and he worked many years in the country. He even also won the Raymond Magsaysay Award. So he is very well-known leader of the country also, and he is giving the stiff challenge to the BJP, Congress, and other, you will say, leading party of the country. So this is the AAP party. Next party we will take it, AIADMK, All India Anna Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam. This party was founded from the DMK party, means Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam, and this party was founded in the year 1972. This party was founded by the Eddapadi K. Palani Swami and O. Paneer Swami. These are the leaders of this party. They had founded it, and this party is very active in the Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and the symbol of this party is the 2 leaves in the plant. So this party is the party which raise the, will say, issues or the interest of the lower communities in the, will say, these states in Tamil Nadu, and is also very committed for the interest of the lower communities. Even it is also very committed for the democratic principle of the country. Next party is the AIFB, All India, you say, Forward Bloc. This party was founded in the year 1939. This party was founded by the Debabrata Biswas. This party was very active in the time of Subhash Chandra Bose. This party is active in West Bengal, and the symbol of this party is the loin. This is the symbol of the party. And the next one party is the AIMEIM, means this is the party which is a very, you will say, popular party of India, because it is led by Asduddin Owaisi. He is very fluent speaker of the Muslim supporters, and he always committed over his interest on his promises what he had made to his followers in the party. This party is very active in the Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and this party has a symbol kite. So this party is very popular. This party also known for their very, will say, blunt speech against the, will say, major communities, and this party, that is the reason that party became very popular in the country. So this is a very, we will say, popular party of the country. Next party BJD. Biju Janata Dal, this party was founded from the Janata Dal, the mother institution of the Janata Party, 1997, and it was founded by the Naveen Patnaik, the very active leader of the Odisha. Even he became the CM of the Odisha many years, and the symbol of this party is the Shankh. This is very, popular party of India also. Next party is the DMK, which I told you also. This party was founded in the year 1949, and this party was also founded by the same opinion person, but the leader of this party is different, M.K. Stalin. I want to tell one more important thing. This party was founded by the M.K. Stalin, but this party was born from the pressure groups or the movement group. Means this party was just protesting against the students or the people or the young people who were coming from the other states, and due to this region, this party was opposing those migrant people who were just taking the right of the local people of the states, Tamil Nadu states. So this party is very popular, and this party is very active in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and the symbol of this party is the rising sun between the two hills. Next number party is the INLD, Indian National Lok Dal. This party was founded in the year 1999. This party was founded by Om Prakash Chautala, the very active leader, and this party also very popular in the time, means in 1999, against the anti-defection law, means this party also involved in the corruption. So this party was very popular that time also. This party was very active in the Haryana, and the symbol of this party is the glass. Next party, the JD, means Janata Dal United. This party is also the party which born from the mother institution of the Janata Party, and so many other parties are also there. Means more than 10 parties are there which are known as a JD. And this party was founded in the year 1999, and a leader of this party was Nitish Kumar, the very active leader, and another leader also very popular. And this party is very active in Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and the symbol of this party is the arrow. That is the region. Nitish Kumar is the, political partner of the BJP in his alliance, means NDA. NDA is the alliance of BJP. So this party is very commented against the poverty, against the many kind of the deprivations life of the poor people in the Bihar. And next party is the JMM, means Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. This party is founded in the year 1972, and this party was founded by the Shibu Soren, the very active leader of the state that time, and he was just born in the tribal committees, means Birsa Munda regions where they belonged, the same region he belonged. This party is very active in Jharkhand also, and now present time the Jharkhand is run by the same party, means JMM. Shibu Soren is no more, but his son is running the state government in the Jharkhand, and the symbol of this party is the crossbow. So this is very popular party of India. Next party is LJP, means Lok Jan Shakti Party. This party was founded in the year 2006, and the leader of this party was Ram Vilas Paswan, because he is no more. 10 to 12 days ago he was died, and this party is very active in Bihar. But it is also the political partner of the BJP, means NDA, and the symbol of this party is the home. So students and friends, these are the regional parties of India, the state party of India, and so many other parties which are left. So surely I will just start and give the another video over the state party of India. Hope this video lecture will help you to understand the state or the regional political parties and their symbols and their states, their leaders, and I have also told some ideology of the parties, so it will help you to understand the regional party of India. Thank you to listening me. Thank you to watching me.